Hello, in this video I want to show you a couple camera tips. So at the first we are going to start from the zoom feature. You can use it in a few ways. Currently we can switch only between ultra wide lens, and the 2x zoom. But we can get more presets, so we have to click, drag, and right now we got 4x, 6, 8 and 10x. So that's how we can zoom in and zoom out, but also you can just use the slider, and right now it looks definitely better, I guess, for me. You can also make it by pinching the screen with your fingers, just like that. And we got also another method how to use zoom. So we have to open the settings at the first. Next we have to scroll down and change the volume button function to zoom. So the volume buttons we can find right here, and when we press the volume up we can smoothly zoom in and zoom out by pressing the volume down button. Okay, and right now we are going to switch for another option, how to take photos. So you can just tap on the shutter like that, the photo will be taken, right? You can also add delay to your shutter by tapping right here, select 3, 5 or 10 seconds. So it's useful, for example, when you try to take photo on the tripod, and after this time photo will be taken. We can also turn off this delay, go for the settings, where we can find two different options. So we can change the volume buttons function one more time to shutter countdown on normal shutter. When you switch to the shutter countdown, it will be not like the other presets 3, 5 or 10 seconds, it will be set up on the 2 seconds. You can go for the normal shutter, you can enable tap to take photo, and also you can enable the burst shot. So take a look right now. When you click on the screen like that, you can take photos because we activate option called touch to take photo. When you click and hold your shutter, you can take the burst shot. So it was 20 photos, you can open it in the gallery, tap right here, and right now you can find all of these photos that you take. And the last option, it's link with the power key, with the volume keys. So when you tap on it once, we can simply take photos, just like that. Right now, when you try to change color and the temperature on the photos and also the brightness, you can make it like that. So tap on the screen and move the sun icon like that to increase or decrease brightness level on your photo. To adjust it automatically, just tap on the screen once. And when you click right here in the photo mode, you can find default presets. As you can see, they change the color and also a little bit of the temperature. These filters you can also find in the video mode by tapping right here. Okay, let's go back. And right now we can go for the settings, where we can find other useful options. So right here, when we keep scrolling, we will find the customize option. And right here we can change sound of our shutter. So we can go for the retro. Okay, I just mute all of the sounds. Let me just enable them. Film or modern. This one is set up as default. So if you want to change it for any of this one, just pick it, go back, and then tap on the shutter. If you want to get rid of the shutter sound, you have to go back for the settings and click it right here. Right now when you take photo, we cannot hear the shutter sound. Okay, and that's all. That's my tips for the Redmi Note 11S. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.